In this video, we'll look into how to highlight negative numbers and positive numbers. Let us take a set of positive and negative numbers. 1 will be -1, 2. Let me give the separate number so that easy to identify. -2, 1, -2, and then 3, and we'll have -4. We'll have some text here, A, and then 5, and then -6. So we have 1, -2, 3, -4, some text A, 5, -6. So now we'll highlight these negative numbers first. Let's go to the Developer tab, Visual Basic, Insert Module. We'll write a subroutine. Here we'll declare dim x as integer. X is equal to sheet1 dot use range will give us where there is values dot count. So there are 6 rows which with values will get the count of 6. So for r is equal to 1 to x, we'll loop through this next r. So all the 6 rows will loop through, and cells have to check if cells of this is the row count. X is going row incremental is going on with x. So and we are in the column 1. So cells of x comma 1 dot value is less than 0, then we'll end if here and write here cells of this is r. X is the last values, is the r. Cells of r comma 1 dot interior dot color is equal to RGB. We'll have a red color 0 0. So x is the count of the rows, sheet1 dot user range dot count, and we are looping with this variable r is equal to 1 to x, and this r will keep on changing when we go to the next r. So cells of r, and the column is first column, cells of r comma 1 dot value is less than 0, then we are coloring it with red color RGB 255000. So let us go here, check. We'll see now these negative numbers will get colored with red color. So now let us run this. Now let us go back here. So we see -2, -4 and -6 have been colored in red. So we use this code to identify the negative values in a range of values. Now we'll highlight the positive values. So here let us create this 1, -2, 3, -4, A, 5, -6. Let us delete this. So now we highlight only the positive values. So let us go back to the code, and here instead of less than 0 we'll say greater than 0. The same code we change it to greater than 0. Now we'll execute this code. We go here and check, see this data. We'll go and execute now. Run. Let's go and check here. So we got 1, 3, A and 5 have been highlighted with red color. But 1, 3 and 5 are numbers. A is not a number, it's a text. So we don't want this text A to be highlighted when we are looking for a positive number to be highlighted. So if it is a text, then we have to ignore that text. So let us now recreate this. 1, -2, 3, -4, A, 5, -6. We delete this. So now we got the original set of data. So now we have to write the code to ignore that text values. Now let us change this code. So here we'll add one more if condition. If worksheet function dot is number, we have to check if that cell value is a number. So cells of r comma 1 dot value then we have to end if here. After this end if, we have to give an end if again, and if. So if worksheet function dot is number cells of r comma 1 dot value, then we are ending this and if here. So this part of the code will get executed only if it is a number, because here we are checking if it is a number. If it is a number, then this part of the code will get executed. Let us see this part. So now we have this data. Let us see how it will be changed after executing this. So now if I run this and then go to the cell, we can see the positive numbers 1, 3 and then 5 have been colored in red, but this A has been ignored because we have given this condition worksheet function dot is number, that value is a number, then only it will color that value in red. So this is how we can we can highlight the negative and positive numbers, and we can as well ignore the text values if there are any text values existing in that data range set. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks.